Good morning everyone. Welcome back to sa ating live. This is naman semi-finals para sa division 2014. Let's start the ball game. Good luck from both teams, especially to our De La Salle Zobel. Let's go, Animo La Salle. This is the battle of rivalry between the Ateneo versus La Salle. De La Salle Zobel. Let's go. This is semifinals sa ating 2025 PAIA Division. Go, good luck. Ateneo versus Lasal. Sino kaya ang makakabante sa finals? Sa kanilang unang paghaharap na nalo ang Ateneo dito. Go! Makakabawas na kaya ang ating team. Malaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. Oh. It's a jump ball. Okay. First ball mapupunta sa Ateneo. Number 55. Fadeaway shot, no good. Let's go. Iba na ang ating team. Aceveda. Hand off to Almeda. Pass to Mortel. Oh. Bad pass. Correction, that's cool, no? Here comes the Ateneo. What a steal by Jake. Almeda to Aceveda. Aceveda, may tanga ng bola. Nabitawan. Steal ng Ateneo, 3 against 1. Binigay kay number 82 and the first basket mula sa Ateneo. Uno, pass to number 12. Oh, munti ka na. Aceveda. Block. Steal by Puno. Puno and get the shot. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line of jersey number 10, Puno. First shot para Puno, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Aceveda. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Number 89. Pass number 82. Good defense para sa ating De La Salle. Aceveda, pass to Puno. Puno. Hand off to Aceveda. Pass to Jake. Almeda. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Almeda. Almeda with a hook shot. Basket. And the first basket mula sa De La Salle. Galing kay Jake Almeda. Here we go. Oh, ito isa foul. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Number 88. Number 88, what a pass there. Nakalusot. Number 98. Let's go, La Salle. Oh! Oh, good. Rebound. Aceveda. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 14, short. Bitawan, steal by Almeida. That's number 14 and 1. Basket count and 1 para kay Gasta. Let's go, Animo Lasal. May barya pa? Nabutin kita. Number 89. Out of bounds. Almeida, steal. Ayan na. Ohoy. Tabla tayo sa 6. Aceveda setting on the screen. Has Hesi. Kick out to Gasta. Gasta. And there's a foul. Soft Legarda. Kalihan ka. Ayan na si Jake. Almeida. No good. Rebound again. Almeida and gets a foul. Let's go, Jake. Remaining time 4 minutes and 1 second. Number 7, pass to Jake and score! Let's go! Animo Lasal. Number 82. Number 98. Number 82, drop pass. Pass to number 89. Wala. Rebound. Oh. Let's go. Aceveda. May tangan ng bola. Spin. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Makuha. Almeida. Let's go. Animo Lasal. 10-8 ang ating talan. Another steal by Aceveda. Aceveda, no good. Rebound. At there's a foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Number 98. Pass number 82. To number 83. Nagawan. Almeda nagmamadali. With a strong drive. Akin na to. By Jake Almeda. Ayan na ang Ateneo. Good defense para sa Lasal. Oy! Let's go. It's a jump ball. Time out. Fisher scores 12-8 in favor of our De La Salle Zobel. Time remaining 1 minute and 37 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute and 37 seconds. Parian, kick out. Haklan to Parian. Step back three. No good. Rebound. Reverse layup and score. Let's go. Ayan na. Another steal by Gasta. Gasta. Out of bound. Wala rito ng Ateneo. Ayan na. Number 12, number 82, umatake, blocks there. Out of bounds. What a pass and one. Vaya, buena fe. Last 40 seconds. No good. Jump shot. Basket. Last 34 seconds. Nakasagot agad dito ang Ateneo. Liconario. Parian, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Buenafe. Nabitawan, last touch. Bola rito ng ating De La Salle Zobel. Steal. Number 82, 4-3. Whoa! Nagdang panimula para sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Our end of the first quarter. Official score, 14-12. 2-point lead para sa De La Salle Zobel. Let's go. Second quarter. Let's shoutout muna tayo kala Timothy Caleb Santos, kay Bems Cruz, kay Sir Bems, ayan. Carl Lombre, Sir Erwin Tan, and kay Ma'am Cha Cruz. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. This is the semi-final game sa ating PAYA Division, PAYA League, para sa ating 2014 Under Division. Good luck from both teams. The ball game, second quarter. Bola ng Ateneo. Let's go. Nasa loob. Wala. Rebound. De Jesus. At nakalisot si De Jesus. Aceveda. Nagmamadali. Aceveda. No good. Rebound by Aceveda. Pass number 8. Top of the key. 4-3. No good. De Jesus. Pass number 83. Wala. Number 83 again. And there's a foul. That is 2013. Maraming salamat po. Wala. Arian, no good. Jesus, steal by Jake. Almeida to Aceveda. Gasta na bitawan. Out of bounds. Good. Jesus. Still. Number 83. Change favor. Lamang na ang Ateneo. Let's go, Lasal. Aceveda. Pass to Puno. Puno, spin. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line na jersey number 10, Puno. Second shot is good. Buena Fe. Pass to Jesus. Bad pass. No rebound. And there's a foul. By Ateneo. Paulino. Almeida. Yes, the three. Yes, sir. Oy. Out of bounds. Substitution, De Leon coming out. Oh, steal! Number 96. Basket count and one. Change favor. Balik sa atin na yung kalamangan ng isa. Aceveda, pass to Puno. Puno, hand off to Gasta. Gasta. Arian, nakalusot. Let's go. Balik sa atin ang kalamangan. 2019. No good. Rebound by Parian. Oh, sorry, that's Aceveda. Aceveda. Bounce pass. Parian. Let's go. 22-19. Animo Lasal. Number 15. Nabitawan. Steal. By Puno. Ayan na. Puno, dire-diretso. Akin na to! Time out! Ateneo! Official score, 24-19 in favor of our De La Salle Zobel. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Official score, 24-19. 5-point lead para sa atin. And shoutout kay Idol. Brother Noah Zamora is watching. Magandang umaga sa iyo and good luck sa inyong laban mamaya. Ayan, shoutout kay Noah Zamora. Number 96, no good. Rebound by Almeida. Nabitawan. Number 85. Oh, good. Let's do. Good defense para sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Here we go. Number 12. Pass to Parian. To Aceveda. Pass to Jake. Jake. Up and under. Walang tawag ating referee doon. Kaya na. Tumatakbo ang last animal. Oy, ng 82. Wala. Rebound. 96. And score. Almeida, Jake. Oy. And get blocks there. Number 82. Wala. Rebound. Good hustle para kay Parian. Number 12. Solano. Solano nagmamadali. Solano. Good. Tumira. And there's a foul. Shots para kay Solano. Hello? Second shot, no good. Tuloy pa pala tayo. Walang tawag ating referee doon. Ibaw na ang ating Neo. Number 82. Nakasagot. Taba na lamang sa isa ang ating lamang. 24-23. Acebeda. Basket. Wala. Rebound by Jake. Go Jake. Steal. Number 82, short. Out of bounds. Ateneo basketball. Substitution. Mortal coming in. Remaining time, last 58 seconds. Oh, still. Almost. Number 85, take a shot. Wala, rebound. De Leon shooting for two. Remaining time, last 43 seconds. Second shot para kay De Leon. De Leon. Basket. Last 43 seconds. Acebeda. Pass number 10. Top of the key for 3. Yes, sir! Para kay Puno. Down 3, wala. Oh, steal. Kaya na, tinasan na ng kamay. Uy, the big boy! Oopsie, there's a foul. De Leon. Time out, De La Salle Zobel. 29-27, time remaining, last 2.8 seconds para sa ating first half. The ball game, last 2.8 seconds. Oy! Gets the shot. Oh! Naihabol pa. It's a basket. Tabla tayo sa 29 sa pagtatapos nating first half. All 29. Babad tayo para sa ating third quarter. Let's go, Animo La Salle. Back to the ball game. The score is all at 29. Parian. Ang lalabas ng bola. Okay, third quarter tayo. Let's go. Tornario, 4-3. What a save. Nakuha ng Ateneo. last touch. Same ball. Balik ang kalamangan sa Ateneo. Number 7, no good. Oy, wala. Let's go, Animo Lasal. Pass to Jake Almeida, and there's a foul. Number 95, Dallas Torres. Shooting on the line, jersey number 9, Jake Almeida. Basket is good. Time remaining 8 minutes and 31 seconds. Second shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 31. Oh, steal! Almeida! Basket para kay Jake. Another steal para kay Acebeda. Acebeda. Drop pass. Parian with a fake. Using the board. Good fake and nice shot para kay Parian. Let's go, Animo Lasal. Uy. Oh! And score! Basket para sa Ateneo. Acebeda. May tangan na bola. Parian to Jake. Almeida to Mortel. Uy! Offensive foul. Si Pao doon ang itinawag. Number 82. Pass number 99 for 3, short. Rebound. Acebeda. There's a foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 41 seconds. Gasta. Pass to Acebeda. Setting on the screen. Acebeda. Back to Almeida. Almeida. Wala. Rebound. Makuha. Acebeda for 3. No good. Rebound by Jake. Jake. Hook shot and score! 37 to 33. Ayan na. Number 99 still by Jake. Pass to Parian. Here we go. Sorry, that's Acebeda! Ayan na, dire-diretso. Walang tawag ating referee doon. Number 85, crossover. And there's a foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Spin ito ni Parian. Pass to Aceveda. Hand off to Gasta. Number 77, step back 3, short. Number 83, out of bounds. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Right away. Number 89. Running shot and gets a foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 58 seconds. The shot is good. Second shot, basket. 35 to 39. Naman pa rin ang ating De La Salle Zobel. Aceveda. Pass to Parian. To Puno. Puno. Oy! Offensive foul. Take a shot, no good. Rebound by Gasta. Let's go, Gasta. To Aceveda, setting on the screen. Back to Jake. Almeida, sidestep. Uy, in and out, rebound. Ayun na, makuha. Leconario. Let's go. Malaki na ang ating kalamangan. Defense, let's go. Number 85 to 89. Oh, steal. Good hustle. Number 99. Nakabawi ang Ateneo doon. 41 to 37. Gastas. Oh, sorry, that's Aceveda. There's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 7, Aceveda. Last 2 minutes para sa ating third quarter. Aceveda shooting for 2. First shot is good. Let's go. Second shot. Bam! LaSalle. Let's go. Ayun na, pinasok na rin ang kanilang point guard din na si Rodriguez. Oh, sorry, that's Ramirez. Oh, what a nice steal by Jake. Let's go, Jake. Jake. Finding open man. Steal. Yung Ateneo. Ramirez. Gustong makabawi. Nakarga over ang Ateneo dito. Number 85. Number 85. Floater and score. Let's go. Ramirez. Pass to Gasta. To Almeida. Hype. Almeida and score. Let's go, Jake. 45-39. Akit tayo sa anim. Ayun na, number 95. Pass to De Leon. To number 85. Oopsie. There's a blocking foul. Time remaining. Last 34 seconds. Wala na ang Ateneo. Number 85, jump shot and score. Let's go. Last 22 seconds. Ramirez. Setting on the screen. Akalan. Uy, wala. Rebound. De Leon nagmamadali. Here comes De Leon. Blocked by Almeida. Pass to Jake. Last 1 seconds, and that's the end of our third quarter. Fish the score 45-41. Pa rin tayo ng apat. Dito puntas no? Oo. Laki din Let's go back to the ball game. Shout out kay Idol Jerwin Tan who's watching. Happy viewing, bro. And good morning sa inyong lahat. This is the semifinal game sa ating Paya League 2025 season here at San Xavier School. Ayan na, number 82, no good, rebound. Makuha ng LaSalle. De La Salle Zobel. Ramirez, handoff. Uy! It's a miscommunication by Gasta. Number 85. Steal by Jake. Almeida, walang tawag. Makukuha ni Gasta. Gasta nagmamadali. Gasta, stop and pump, 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Side step, wala. Rebound by Jake. Let's go, Jake. Almeda. Nakatawid. Almeda nakalusot and score. 47-41. Here comes number 82. Umatake, using the board and score. Bawi ang Ateneo doon. Ramirez. Oh! Out of bounds. Number 82, blocked by Jake. Acebeda, may tanga ng bola. Acebeda. Oy, in and out. Last touch. Sing. Ateneo basketball. Number 82, Buena Fe. Number 96, good hustle para kay Jake. Pass number 83, 4-3. Uy, wala. Rebound. Para by Almeda. Acebeda na itawid. Ayun na si Acebeda. Binigay kay Gasta from the corner. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 82. Floater. Basket. Ayan na. Baba sa single digit. 2-point lead para sa De La Salle Zobel. Go, Animo La Salle. Almeda. Acebeda, 4-3. Wala, rebound. Makuha ni Aklan. Ay na, nagagawan. Still by Almeda. Almeda, umatake. And that's a traveling violation. Time remaining 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Shoutout kay Caleb Sikad. Number 89, kick out, 4-3, short, rebound, makakuha ni Almeda. Pass to Acebeda, binigay, Aklan. Oy, walang tawag. Good. Ay na ang Ateneo. Binigay, good defense, De Leon, wala. Loy, rebound by Almeda. Nakatayo lang daw, sabi natin referee. Acebeda, may tanga ng bola. Acebeda, pass to Varian, back to Puno, bad pass. Steal ng Ateneo. Ayan na, number 96. Tabla tayo sa 47. Uno. Pass to Parian. Parian, nagmamadali. Parian, all the way. Oh, he missed the shot. Ayan na, ang Ateneo. Pass to De Leon. Still by Puno. Out the pass. Ayan na. Aklan all the way. Basket dyan. Ayan na ang Ateneo. Oh, still by Aklan. To Aceveda. Aceveda may tanga ng bola. Aceveda. Crossover. Aceveda with a strong drive. No call ang ating referee. Rebound ng Ateneo. Ayan na, number 89. Nagmamadali. Pinasa sa kanan. Fake. Floater. Oh, in and out. Rebound by Almeda. Pass to Aceveda. Aceveda. In a 8 seconds violation. Sayang. Di yata nakita. Ni Aceveda yun. Okay. De Leon maglalabas sa bola. Tinagay. Number 82. Buena fe. There we go. Oh! And that's a traveling violation. Time out. Ateneo. Official score 49-47 in favor of our De La Salle Zobel. Time remaining 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Back to the ball game. Parian to Jake. Almeda. Umatake. Wala. Rebound. Oh! Bad pass. Malapit na tayo. Last 2 minutes. 2 minuto na lamang po ang ating nalalabi sa ating laban. Sino kaya ang papasok sa finals? Number 89, nakalusot. Tabla tayo sa 49. Almeda, Jake, spin. Using the board and score! Nakasagot si Jake. Number 89, pass number 87, top of the key. Oh! 3-point! Grabe, ayun na. Aceveda, may tanga na bola. Setting on the screen. Sino tatanggap? Aceveda, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Nice save. Nice save ng Lasal. Oh, steal by Aceveda. Di pa tapos sa laban. Aceveda for 3. No good. Rebound by Parian. Parian with a fake block by De Leon. And there's a foul. Grabe. Grabe ang mga bata ngayon. Okay, last 46 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Munti ka na magawan. Ayan na. It's a one-stop dito para sa Lasal. Let's go, Animo Lasal. Kick out to De Leon. De Leon, jump shot. Oh! De Leon knocks it down. Grabe, starting ovation. Ang Ateneo. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Meron pa tayong natitirang 31 seconds remaining. Animo Lasal. Di pa tapos ang laban, mahaba-haba pa to, 39.9 seconds. Ay shoutout po kay Ma'am Cristina Almeida. Ayan, magandang umaga po. Jerwin Tan, Jocelyn Levy, Josie Beams, David Baliwag, and Pascual Amiel. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Di pa tapos ang laban. Meron pa tayong natitirang 31.9 seconds remaining. 51, 54. May pagkakataon pa ang tumira ang ating team. Let's go, Animo Lasal. Last 31 seconds. Di pa tapos ang laban. Aceveda, maglalabas ng bola. Pinigay. Parian for 3. No good. Almeida gets a rebound and pull back. Time out. Ateneo. Time remaining. Last 26 seconds. 54, 53. Baba sa isang alamangan ng Ateneo. Grabe. Never give up para sa ating team. It's a one defense left na lamang, one stop para sa ating Lasal de la Salzobel. Sino kaya ang papasok sa finals? Let's go. Okay, remaining time 26.3 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Tingnan natin kung may shoot. And a quick 3 para sa ating Lasal. Let's go. Sino tatanggap? Pinigay sa corner. Ayan na. Walang tawag. Good. Pinigay kay Buenape. Buenape. Munti ka na. Nag-aagawan. Ayan na. Steal. Pass to Aceveda. Outlet pass. Parian nabitawan. Parian Parian with a loose ball. Nakuha na Parian. Nagagawa na sa jumble. Bola rito ng De La Salle Zobel. Last 5.6 seconds. Isa lang ang lamang ng Ateneo. Let's go. Bola rito ng ating De La Salle Zobel. It's a quick two to lead the game. Sabi ni Coach. Makakashoot kaya? Let's go! It's a buzzer beater kaya? Malalaman natin yan. Let's go, Animo La Salle. Sino kaya ang bibida para sa ating De La Salle Zobel to move on to the championship? Let's go. Let's go, team. Animo La Salle, let's go. Let's go, Animo Zobel. Let's go. Sino kaya ang magso-survive? Let's go, 5 seconds remaining. Sino tatanggap? Bibigay kanino? Binigay kay Almeida. Pass to Parian. Parian, side step, and score! Oh my! Wow! What a nice game from both team! Sayang! What a nice game from both teams! Alright, maraming napakagandang laban na yun. What a nice game from both team. And congratulations to our winning team, ang Ateneo de Manila University. And nice game para sa ating team, ang De La Salle Zobel. Our final score, 54-53. Panalo po ang Ateneo at sila na po ang a-advance sa finals. Let's go, Animo La Salle. So kailangan bounce back tayo sa ating next game. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, and to all parents from De La Salle Zobel, maraming pong salamat sa inyong pagtitiwala. Grabe, sobrang intense ng labang yun. What a good game from both team. Alright, maraming salamat po at magbabalik tayo para sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli. Nice game.